Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. That is what you call an honest Honda engine. This car's in today for a remap, but we've also fitted a Piper Manifold and Piper Sports Cat, which is mated to an existing Teguar 70mm exhaust system. It's got a HKS Mushroom induction kit type thing going on, and it's now time to tune it. Now, this car has already been flash mapped, so it's our job to improve on that with custom live tuning, and let's see how we get on with the Ecotech software. I've actually got no idea what type of oil or what brand of oil is in this car, but if it was mine, I'd be putting 5W40 fully synthetic Molygen in. You can get that from worldoflubricant.co.uk. Go over to the website there, put in the code Dyno at the checkout, save loads of money. You know the drill. Let's go. Right, so as I said at the beginning, this car had a flash map, an unknown flash map on it, and it was particularly lean. So I'm glad that we did get it tuned. It's made 227, finished on 227. Now, obviously, we started at 226, but as you well know, if something's lean, it'll make some more power, but it won't for very long.
Yeah.
So made some power in the mid-range, basically made power across the board there. But
we have made power everywhere, but it hasn't, because it's got some sort of tune on it. It's not the normal gains that you would obviously see. But we've made power everywhere. We've extended the rev range a little bit. VTEC was at 4.5 or there or thereabouts. We've dropped that to 4.
He's looking
so
at the, just so that you know, he's looking at the graph over
yeah.
there.
So we got some got some stuff sorted, and it was better than it was, let's put it that way.
Certainly better than it was. Yeah, because we fitted a Piper Manifold and Piper Sports Cat.
But the dyno, though, interestingly, did go up 3 degrees in the time we were mapping.
I can feel it.
Yeah.
I can feel it went up 3 degrees. Yeah, that's another one in the bag, really, isn't it?
It is.
We've got plenty more to be getting on with. We've got EGs, EFs, we've got all sorts to be doing, haven't we?
Yeah, we've been having a bit of a nightmare with an EF, haven't we?
Yeah.
Trying to fit a retro fit coil pack kit from Honda, and
if we make a YouTube video on that car, it might start with us crying.
Yeah, it's been a real pain. That as it's you think it would be relatively simple. It literally looks like sort of 6 wires, and it should just work, but that has not been the case at all.
We've run out of enthusiasm.
Yeah, well, I've had to put it back outside for a little bit whilst I calm down and get on with something else, and I'll go back to it later.
If it wasn't for an unprecedented solar eclipse this evening, I'd be straight to bed at 5 o'clock today. Yeah, that's how stressy it's been. Let's look at this graph.
Let's have a look at that graph.
Well, there we have it, guys. Red line as she came in, blue line as she leaves. Power in the mid-range. Made a bit of peak power because we extended the rev range out a little bit. Rich is trying to shut a bonnet whilst I'm making a video. And we finish on 227 brake horsepower, 190 at the wheels. If you've got an Fn2 and you need any assistance, especially with shutting the bonnet, give us a shout. But until we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed. Go on. No, okay.
Ready to elevate your ride? Nobody does it better than Dynodaze performance parts. Nobody. We're talking the best exhausts, the strongest ECU remaps, absolute top-tier parts for maximum performance. Other places, not even close. Our experts, the best in the business, give you personalized tuning perfectly matched to your driving style. It's incredible, really. People love it. Join a huge, growing community of real enthusiasts. Thousands already trust Dynodaze, smart people, great drivers, and they keep coming back. Go to dynodazeperformanceparts.com right now and transform your drive. Believe me, you're going to love it.